Everybody loves to hear that they have performed a job well done, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. It just never gets old when our customers post these types of experiences online. We take pride in knowing we are making our customers happy. It makes us happy as we continue to work hard to provide the best service possible. Making our customer happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day while growing our customer base. So if you're looking for a company that has the best customer service backed by years of extensive knowledge and experience, then we are the right fit for you. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on your screen. We hope to hear from you soon.